Hello everyone, I'm Filippo and he's Francesco, and in our team there are also our two guys, another Filippo and Dario. At the moment we have a live performance of a player that is actually, okay, we have Randy. Can we show him?
So you actually have a real life Randy Resnick in Bordeaux.
Exactly.
On the other end.
Okay, in the meantime I explain you our project. So let's say that most of the e-learning platforms are for theoretical lectures, but let's say that most of the activities are practical. And let's say that our idea was to create a platform in order to support these kind of activities. And yeah, let's say that for instance, imagine now we talk a lot about Internet of Things and DIY. How do you teach to somebody how to, I don't know, connect wires and sensors and this kind of hardware? Far more, maybe you have to display the code, to share the screen, and also to show your face as a teacher to one of your students, to one or too many students. So let's say that there are like these kind of activities that at the moment are kind of complicated using like Skype, Hangout, this kind of softwares. So let's say that we decided to, yeah, like this one. We have like the teacher, the hardware, the code, and let's say that the physical product that you want to create. And everything has to be, this kind of lecture has to be like in real time. And obviously it's complicated, as I was saying, with Skype, Hangout, these kind of softwares. So let's say that our idea is to support this kind of activities. And we focus mainly on music. So let's say how to teach to a student how to play the piano, anyway, a musical instrument. And our concept is called TeachMusicRTC. So let's say that, yes, the idea is to establish a connection between a teacher that is maybe far away and one or more students that can listen at the teacher, look at the teacher, and look at the keys that he's currently playing. Okay, next one. So let's say that this is the sketch of our system. We use a standard web RTC, and that is actually that one that is inside the orange line. And on the top, let's say that we added some extra features in order to allow the teacher to create a room with a specific ID, and to invite one or more students. Now, at the moment, we have this technical problem because we have music, let's say music teacher, and we have this kind of real-time performance. Let's see if...
He has to give us the URL.
And
I love these live demos. Great.
yeah, but it's something that we create like in obviously in 1 day and a half plus the night. So these are those kind of technical problems that sometimes emerge. However, he's actually playing, and the notes. Let's say that he's the teacher, and at this side we are the students, and so he's playing the notes, and we can have a look at the keyboard and understand which notes he's currently playing. Okay. Sorry.
I think what you need to do is to get it working and then just come back on and do.
No, it's working. It's just we wanted to be working with him, like playing live.
Yeah.
But
yeah, to make
a problem. We were connected when we were downstairs, but now we're not the connection when we're getting upstairs. But yeah, we can show the demo.
So we can go downstairs.
So actually, like one is teacher view, and these notes is there are there's pitch detection algorithm. So like the left one is with the teacher, and we have Randy. And the other is the student. So if we connect to Randy, probably so let's see.
I love a good dangerous demo.
Yeah.
Particularly with Randy Resnick involved.
Yeah, anyway, I mean, let's say that we use the pitch detection in order to recognize the note and to display the opposite side. I mean, we can use any kind of. Oh, okay. Yeah.
It just needs some sound.
No.
What time is it?
Just one simple thing because we were not aware to that. So.
Yeah, for those of you who don't know Mr. Randy Resnick, he is slightly responsible for the VoIP user conference, which takes place every Friday afternoon or evening, 5 o'clock British time, and has been going now for some time. We've done, 500 episodes of it now, each week focusing on a different technology, most of which is demonstrated live with no safety nets.
He's also a moderately famous guitarist.
Yeah, having played with John Lee Hooker, Ralph, famously presented George Harrison with a Rickenbacker guitar, which he then played on a number of well-known Beatles tracks.
Mm-hmm.
So check him out on Wikipedia, because he actually invented a style of strumming as well.
Yes, slap.
Slap, yeah.
Slapping the strings. As used by the guy from Level 42.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Should we stop?
Oh, I mean, sure.
Yeah, okay.
So close.
Yeah, so close, but I think.
It's tantalising, isn't it?
So,
No, then we'll have to.
Okay, so.
So tell us how the keyboard and how things are connected together. I haven't quite got that from the diagram.
Let's say that, I mean, is it what?
And also with the voice, like.
La.
Yeah, it's pitch detection. So I mean,
Also with guitar, with Randy, but I don't know, we can retry, but maybe we are out of time. Sorry about that. So it's Node.js server, WebRTC, JavaScript on the client, and also when developing, we hit a bug on Chrome browser. So basically, when you get the stream from another peer, and you run audio context analyze sound to get the pitch, there was a bug. You can't analyze sound after you get it from WebRTC stream. So we had to open another data channel, and so basically do the pitch detection on the server on the left window, and then left the browser, and then send it to the other. But you can play. The URL is that one. It's all open source on GitHub. So URL it's TeachRTC mkvd.net, or you can search TeachRTC on GitHub. So yeah.
Well, perhaps you better get a slot booked on the VUC and come and demonstrate it live and make it work.
Yeah.
For future reference, that thing with the peer connection works fine in Firefox Nightly.
Oh really?
Yes.
Yeah.
But not the peer connection. Is
The
you can analyze
yes.
the context.
Yes. Incoming audio from over a WebRTC channel. You can capture that and feed it into the web audio, but it only works in Firefox Nightly. I've not seen it in anything else yet. It's in the standard, but not everyone's implemented it yet.
Okay.
Sorry, if I know you'd have
No,
a
of course.
problem, I wish I could tell you earlier.
So is it doing pitch recognition?
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
On the client side via JavaScript.
Oh,
We use the pitch detect.
FFT and web audio.
Yeah, web. No, it's called the pitchdetect.js. We linked if you go to 720 KB TeachMusicRTC. There is all credits with libraries that we used.
Yeah,
Some
we use
libraries
that library for more. I mean, we filter. I mean, we add some functions in order to filter the sound.
Cool. So does it, if that works locally, can we try it now, or does that depend?
Locally, yeah.
It's lovely.
Yeah, of course.
And the MIDI keyboard, what's that plugged into?
No,
It's just to make the sound, but you can.
Yeah, but where?
No, it's a normal keyboard. I mean, it's connected to the laptop because a USB keyboard. So it needs a speaker and energy. But I can use also my voice or also guitar, any kind of instrument. So I mean, if you, for instance, if you search on internet like piano, and
No, you spilled it.
so I mean, you can also like.
So, yeah, that should be a C.
Yeah, you can also sing if you want.
Yeah. C, really? C, C. Oh, it is a C. C.
Yeah.
Listen to me. C, C, D,
Try.
E, G, F, E, D, C. Why aren't you changing? I'm not that upset, am I? C. That's an A. That's not a C. That's an A.
You need to improve.
We got an A. We got an A.
Yeah, you got it. Okay,
For the sake of time, one last question. If not, excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Oh, sorry.
Well, it's amazing how you did it with just JavaScript, because I know those audio to MIDI tools are really expensive.
Ah.
So yeah, I think it's really good that you made that. I just want to make this
Thank you very much.
confession that you're great.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.